Manatees, the gentle giants of the sea. The manatee, a large aquatic mammal often referred to as a sea cow, is one of nature's most captivating creatures. They are gentle giants, gracefully moving through water with their strong tails, despite their hefty size. Manatees are mammals, which means they need to breathe air to survive. They can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes, but typically surface every 5 minutes to breathe. Manatees are herbivores, feeding mainly on aquatic plants. A manatee can consume up to 10 to 15% of its body weight in vegetation every day. These creatures are found in warm coastal areas. They are sensitive to cold and cannot survive in water temperatures below 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Manatees spend most of their time eating, resting, and traveling. These activities take up approximately half their day. Despite their size, manatees are quite agile swimmers, often seen doing rolls and somersaults in the water. Manatees have a very slow reproductive rate, with females typically giving birth to one calf every 2 to 5 years. The mother-calf bond in manatees is strong. Calves nurse and stay with their mother for up to 2 years. Manatees have no natural predators in the wild. Their biggest threat is human activity, particularly boat collisions, which often result in serious injury or death. Protection laws are in place to help save the manatee population. Disturbing or harming these creatures carries strict penalties. Over time, manatees have played a part in human culture and mythology. Some sailors mistook them for mermaids. Manatees have a lifespan of roughly 40 years in the wild. However, many do not reach their full lifespan due to human-related threats. Manatees have a large, flexible upper lip, which they use like an elephant trunk to gather food. Manatees cannot turn their heads side to side like most animals. Instead, they must turn their whole body to look behind them. Manatees have excellent hearing, but their eyesight is relatively poor. They rely heavily on touch and taste to navigate their environment. The digestive system of a manatee is uniquely designed to handle their fibrous diet. They have a hindgut fermentation system, much like a horse. Manatees are not territorial and are often seen in groups, known as an aggregation. These groups are usually just temporary, formed around abundant food sources or warm waters. Manatees are one of the few animal species that can move equally well in both saltwater and freshwater environments. Manatees have a thick, wrinkled skin that is often covered in algae, giving them a greenish hue. Manatees have a large lung capacity. Their lungs run along their spines, helping with buoyancy control. Manatees love to sleep. They typically rest submerged with just their noses breaking the water's surface for air. There are 3 main species of manatees: West Indian, Amazonian, and African. Each species has unique characteristics and habitats. West Indian manatees are the most commonly seen in the United States, often spotted in Florida's warm waters. Amazonian manatees are the smallest species and are entirely freshwater dwellers, found in the Amazon River and its tributaries. African manatees inhabit the west coast of Africa, stretching from Senegal to Angola. They are the least studied of all the species. Manatees are considered a sentinel species. Their health provides insight into the health of the aquatic ecosystems they inhabit. Despite their size, manatees are actually quite gentle and friendly. They often approach humans out of curiosity. Manatees are an integral part of our natural world. As we continue to learn about these fascinating creatures, it becomes clear that their protection is crucial to the balance of our aquatic ecosystems. In essence, manatees are gentle, herbivorous giants that inspire awe and spark our curiosity. They invite us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the aquatic world.